Right, so here we go. This is a Nissan Qashqai, and this is what happens. So you get maintenance tyre come up on the display, which is a little bit irritating. So we need to just take a look at this. This is basically a warning to rotate your tyres, but here in the UK we don't really do it. But it's probably a good opportunity to take a look at your tyres and see if they're legal, pump them up, and if you're unsure, take them off to a local service centre where they can check them out for you. A lot of these places do tyre checks for free. So that's the end of that. Right, so what we need to do is get rid of that maintenance message. So we need to put the key in the ignition and turn it once, twice to get the lights up on the dashboard and everything displaying. So all we need to do is take the right twiddler here and turn it clockwise. That gets us into this menu system, and then turning clockwise again, we can go down the menu to maintenance. We push the twiddler in and we basically get these options. So we need to twiddle to the clockwise again, to the right, and we go down to tyre and we push in and we twiddle to the right again once, and we can go to reset, and that will reset, and here it's done 0 to 10,000. I had to do a reshoot on this video because the poor light quality in here. So what you'll have is it'll probably give you the current so many miles over the 10,000 you've done. So yeah, anyway, once it's all done, you can go back and then you turn it counterclockwise and you go back, selecting it, and then you go up to exit and push to exit, and that's it. It's all done. Turn the ignition off and happy days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video.